So Charlie, here for Astronauts for America. How does it feel to be a part of this organization with so many fellow astronauts?
Being with a part of Astronauts for America is really exciting for one thing, because Steve mentioned it when we were doing the program earlier, that to feel like there's something you can do to make a difference in the country.
Yeah.
All of us felt that we were on a steady decline in terms of our democracy, and so we came together, and our mission is the country, or the country is our mission. And we want to do several things. One is help people understand that we were founded on an idea based that is all captured in the Constitution. We depend on the rule of law. We depend on rights that are given us, to include freedom of the press. And also that we have to somehow get people to come together again and begin to carry on what I would call civil dialogue. We got to get the Congress back together so that they can get stuff done, which we just don't feel they're doing right now.
The fundamental values on which this country was founded have really eroded over the past several decades. And it's a situation which not only is getting worse and worse and is critical, but in which we have a real role to play. We, the public, have a real role to play. And we want to make sure that young people especially understand the tremendous privilege they have in having been born and raised or whatever, or be here in the United States, and that they have agency in ensuring that it continues, this opportunity that we've all had as we grew up. So that's, we have to respond to this, and that's why we're doing it.
Well, I think we're trying to set a good and inspiring example in that, as astronauts, we signed an oath to our nation, and we are mission-oriented people. And the mission, our nation is now the mission. We are a nonpartisan group. We have astronauts retired, we're all retired, about 108 of us, I think. And, I don't even, you look at all these patches, and I never occurred to me even wonder what politics people had, because it's just not part of the mission. And that's what it's like for our country right now, is that we need to recognize that everyone's voice is important. And one of the voices that we don't hear very much is the young people. And we want them to understand that even though sometimes change can seem daunting, their perspective is really important, and and their voice is important. So I'm really excited to look a bunch of younger Americans in the eye and make sure that they know that someone that they can trust said, listen, you matter, because our country matters and our country needs you.